Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Check that your device supports gesture mode and that firmware or the app is updated. This prevents mismatches. Enable the necessary sensors and grant permissions now because the system needs real-time input. Position the device at chest or eye level and clear the background so gestures register cleanly. Once done, open the gesture mode interface and choose a basic calibration routine. This gets you into the active testing phase immediately. You now move into calibration and training, the complex middle of setup. Follow the guided calibration prompt slowly and hold each reference pose for 1 to 2 seconds so the model captures stable frames. Then train core gestures, swipe, pinch, air tap, repeating each gesture 8 to 12 times to build reliable recognition. Make iterative adjustments to sensitivity and dead zones as you see false positives. This reduces accidental triggers. Once the model accepts inputs consistently, test gestures across different lighting and angles to confirm robustness. You finish by deploying gesture mode into regular use and handling final issues. Map each trained gesture to a clear action and run quick task-based tests, checking that responses occur within your acceptable latency. Aim for under 200 milliseconds. If you see misrecognitions, rerun calibration and add targeted training samples for the troublesome pose because more diverse data fixes edge cases. Make sure firmware and apps stay updated, and keep a fallback like voice or touch enabled so you can continue working when gesture in.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.